He's looking right at me. I'm gonna back up. Okay, I'm gonna back up. He's gonna attack me or something. But what is going on, guys? I just ran into a spider web. Here's the Evo. I'm gonna get a cover for it because oh, look at all this crap, man. Let's get in, guys. Ran into another spider web. But you guys seem to like the video of me driving the Evo. Get this out of here. So we're gonna do it again. I actually enjoyed it too, so let's get it. Let's turn this car on. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, so hopefully this is a better view than last time. Step on it a little bit over there, you're gonna see all these like little leaves just fly up. Coming in the car. Because it's nighttime. I don't know if you can see because it's nighttime. I got my two big Harn speakers. And then I don't think I would show you guys the rear. You can barely see. Let me turn my flash on so you guys can see how it looks in the rear. Pretty nice. The rear was like Recaros. Look at all this peeling. Let me put you guys down here so you guys can hear the cold start. I want to show you guys, I guess, a night view of the 2014 Evo. For some reason, one of my other videos I said it was a cosmic blue, but it's actually, oh wait, hold on. In my other video, guys, I mistakenly said that it's a octane blue, but it's cosmic blue. Should I know? But look at that imperfection you can see. You can literally feel it. I gotta get this all completely detailed and everything. A professional shop is gonna do it. Make this paint look brand new. Let's get this baby started. Put you guys right here. sounds pretty good. I'm only missing one thing, which is the downpipe. Once I get the downpipe, it's gonna be open. Look at that purple. Look, I love how the cosmic blue looks like purplish and then blue. And that red accent I love. Stock height though. Unfortunately, everything is still stock. Roof. But unfortunately, besides the exhaust, everything is literally just still stock. Pretty much still stock. Still ain't paying the car off. So, just trying to save up to pay it off, really. As you can see, the service engine tune is only on because of the catalyst I have. But looks like I'm gonna have to buy another catalyst. But the one I bought, it's got the thing to make it go away, but which it works sometimes, but sometimes it doesn't. It always sometimes comes back on and off, which is kind of annoying. But what can I do? All right, and then here also everything's stock. I haven't done anything inside really. But yeah, let's go, guys. And look at that Mercedes, very nice. I think that's a C-Class coupe. Yeah, C300 coupe. But yeah, guys, so I got the one with the Rockford Fosgate sound system. It sounds awesome. Before I get copyrighted. So yeah, the speakers are amazing. Yeah, sounds dope. Let's get driving, guys. Yes, it is stick shift. It's GSR, not the MR. So let's get going. Watching some TJ Hunt. Alright, continuing the video. I'm here in the Evo. Let me pause this video if I get copyrighted by TJ Hunt. But yeah, so I'm gonna end it here, guys. Not that much to do. I just noticed how scratched up this is. Look at all this. I'm gonna try to buff all this out, clean it out, and I'm gonna put all in here, clear bra. Going all the way in back, especially around this area here, because you step on it and stuff, and then look all the scratch. So it's all gonna get buffed out and clear bra all over the back, and especially here, just because how scratched up it is. And probably also on the other side as well. And I'm still waiting to change the head unit on this, make it look nice and modern. And then I noticed in the Recaro, I don't know if you see that line right there. I don't know why it did that, but it looks like that. And then you can see the Recaro letters are kind of dirty, so I'm just gonna get like a wet rag, clean it out a little bit. And I noticed this is carbon fiber. It looks nice. It's carbon. Nice. And then it's got the little sunroof. Not a lot of people like sunroofs for some reason, but mosquitoes in there. But I wanted to get the one with the sunroof and leather Recaro. So for some reason, a lot of people don't like the leather seats and sunroof, but I wanted the one that came with this package. And I also wanted Octane Blue, so as soon as I saw this car, I gotta have it. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's a short video. Not really that much content right now, since pretty much the end of the world is here. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have it going.